Let's start with agility ladder drills. Warm up and improve your agility with forward steps. With side steps, start slow and build speed as you progress through the drills. And with straddle hops, alternate your feet from inside to outside, back and forwards. Strengthen your back with bent over rows. Push the hips back and keep a neutral spine throughout the exercise. Make sure you move the weight up and down. The workout is front squats and push-ups. The first round starts with 21 front squats, the second with 15 front squats, and the third round with 9 front squats. The hips descend back and down, lower than the knees, with the knees in line with the toes. The repetition is complete at full hip and knee extension. Complement each round of front squats with the same number of push-ups. Keep the core tight and your body in a straight line from head to toe. The chest touches the ground. Finally, stretch your spine, shoulders and hamstrings with the seated forward bend. 3, 2, 1, go!